Good afternoon, third grade, and welcome to Lit Lab. The first thing we're going to go over today is getting into Google Classroom. I will often post things here for things that we're going to do, so we're just going to make sure that we are all into Google Classroom today. So there's a couple different ways you can get into it. You can, in your address bar, go to classroom.google.com, but honestly, probably the easiest thing is to find the waffles. So if you have like your Gmail open, the waffles should be there, or if I just open a new tab, then I should see the waffles. And I just want to find where I have the green and yellow classroom. So you'll go ahead and click on that to open the classroom tab. And so then after that, you'll come to the plus sign and then click on Join Class. Once you click on Join Class, we're going to wait till everybody's there, and then you'll be getting a class code to type in there. So if you go ahead and click on Join Class, and we'll find out what our class code is. So for you guys, your class code, it's all going to be lowercase. So it's the letter A, the number 4, O, Z, R, V, T. So you type that in and then you'll click join, and then you should be into Classroom and kind of see the same things that I have over here on this side for 3B. So that was our main goal for today, and then you'll be doing some other things that the sub will be guiding you through. Hope you have a great day.